Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI NOVA Y61, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to locate Calendar app. When you find it, click on it. Now choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on the date that you wish to set up. In my case, this one. To create your event, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and then adjust it however you want to. At the top, add the title. Now click on Location and type in an address. Scroll down. In order to disable your keyboard, tap on the back button and pick starting hour or ending one. You can also pick starting date and ending one. If you wish to disable this feature instead, just click on this switcher next to All Day. Now click on Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also select Custom to adjust it perfectly. To save your changes, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Now add a reminder, click on it and adjust it. I will go with 3 days before. In order to delete it, click on this little X next to it. You can also mark your event as important by choosing this switcher next to Important feature. Then click on Account section and pick wherever you wish to. As you can see, I have only my calendar available. Lastly, you can take some notes and click on this check mark at the top right corner to finally save your event. Mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it, make your changes by tapping on Edit section at the bottom in the middle. Click on the best option for you, in my case all events in the series, and change wherever you wish to. If you wish to discard those changes, click on X icon at the top left corner. Then choose Discard in the pop-up. In order to save them though, tap on the check mark again. If you wish to get rid of your event, click on it, tap on this bin icon at the bottom right corner, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!